Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samantha from the law offices of Samantha K. Wolfe, located at 20 East 6th Street, Suite 206 in Waynesboro. You can reach us at 717-655-2676. And I wanted to take just a minute to talk about the financial power of attorney and how important it is. So in our office, we recommend that every client have a financial power of attorney. In Pennsylvania, there are two main types of financial power of attorneys. There is a springing power of attorney and there's a durable power of attorney. So a springing power of attorney is one that only becomes effective at a specific time or after a specific event. So usually we think if someone becomes incapacitated, then a springing power of attorney comes into play. A durable power of attorney is one that is effective when the person signs it and when the agent acknowledges it. So remember, the person who is creating the document is the principal. So if I am the client, I am the principal and the person I'm appointing under the document is my agent. And so under a financial power of attorney, I am appointing an agent to handle my finances. And it could be everything from my bank accounts to my vehicles to my real estate. So in that document, I'm going to be outlining who has the ability to do that if I'm not able to. Now, remember, a durable power of attorney would be effective when I sign it and when my agent acknowledges it. It doesn't actually require me to be incapacitated. And that's important because if I am in a situation where I need an agent, I am looking at nursing home benefits or I'm trying to protect assets, you don't want that your agent can't act until you've been declared incapacitated, because that can take about 2 weeks, typically is the time frame it takes two physicians to determine that somebody's incapacitated. So we recommend a durable power of attorney, and then we advise clients to make sure that you are appointing someone who you protect. So the ways that you can check to see how your power of attorney is set up, if it's durable or springing, is that first thing is the title. Look to see, does it say durable or springing? Second is if it doesn't say, or even if it does, if there is a sentence or a provision later on that talks about how it only is effective if you're incapacitated, that is a springing power of attorney. Durable power of attorney says that it's effective upon signature. And usually the financial power of attorney is effective during your life unless you revoke it. The other way that a power of attorney is revoked is when you pass away. At that point, you're under the last will and testament, and your financial power of attorney is no longer effective. Financial power of attorney is so important currently in what's happening. And I will tell you that the law changed in 2015. So if you have a document that was executed prior to 2015, it would be worth meeting with an attorney. We do offer free initial consultations to go over what those changes that happened in 2015 and if your document needs to be updated in order to be in compliance with those new rules. So again, we always recommend a durable power of attorney in our office, and that's to handle everything from insurances to real estate to vehicles to bank accounts. And again, in Pennsylvania, you can have a durable or a springing. We recommend a durable. And when you appoint that agent can then access your accounts, but they're not actually owner of the accounts. Nothing has been titled in their name. Okay. And your agent has to do what is in your best interest. And that would be what a reasonable person determines is in your best interest. So again, we always recommend that a client have a power of attorney and to have a durable power of attorney. If you currently have a document and you'd like us to review it, we do offer free initial consultations, and you can call our office at 717-655-2676 to schedule a time for me to review the document. If you don't have one, no matter your age, we always recommend that an individual have a financial power of attorney. And please make sure to check out the other videos where we discuss a healthcare power of attorney, a living will, and a mental health power of attorney. Thank you for listening, and I will do a more in-depth one where we actually look at the different provisions of the financial power of attorney. So make sure to check out the other videos so that you can access that information if you would like to.